Okay, so a few things here to make the adjustment. So basically, I was saying about this and this, if we can just connect those two so the video doesn't play, it doesn't look good. So please connect these sections into the one so the video is not playing. Then everything else was completed, but since we cannot have a sold listing tab somewhere here as we spoke, perhaps maybe the best option is to create something like on this website, which has a section, and it's going to say click here to view all sold listings in your area, and put it below featured listings and between feature videos like this. But please make it always visible with some nice exterior photo in the back, and that title, click here to view all sold listings in your area. And when we click on it, please make it sold in Mississauga. So it's going to show sold in Mississauga. I think that will work for the client, and I believe they will like that, and that we will be close to make this changes done and going live. Thanks.